Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Wendal Snipes here. Welcome. So this is gonna be a little new to some of you guys because most of my subscribers, the 50 that I have, I appreciate you guys. Obviously, we haven't been bringing content out in a couple years, but we would like to get back to streaming soon here. We just bought a acreage there last year, and we're kind of just dialing everything in yet, and our internet unfortunately sucks. So I can't stream right now. So I've been thinking I wanted to bring you guys some kind of content. So what I'm going to do is I'm a welder by trade. So I kind of wanted to do some like projects and, you know, content like that. Kind of like vlogging, welding fucking vlogs, you know, kind of thing. So here we are. So today we got a little project that we got to do for the father-in-law. He's got an old truck deck that we're going to make into like a deck onto this old building that we use for rental storage. So we got I don't know the measurements of the thing. It's whatever, just, you know, a long box deck, regular old long box deck. And we're gonna make it into a deck for a building. So this here is the deck in question that we were gonna be using. So when he first had the idea of turning it into a deck, he thought it was a steel frame. But unfortunately, it's not a steel frame. It's just got a steel edge around it. So I got to figure out some way to join the legs to this guy. But this is the deck. That's the door where it's going to go. So I think I believe we're going just the way it sits up to the door. And then this is getting a new door. Older house door. It'll be an upgraded, and then this is getting re-sided and stuff, I think, eventually. But we have storage in here, rental storage. People pay to keep their stuff here, so we're just doing some modifications so they have easier access and it's a little bit nicer. Hey, Cooner. So the girlfriend's dad, this deck is for him, and he supplied all the material that he wants to use. So we're just using what we've been given. I know it's probably not ideal, but we've got that deck. We've got some old HSS. And we got these like teleposts for like basements or decks or whatever. And we're going to use those so we can adjust the deck up and down. Let's see if the old girl will start. We got our first dump of snow here 2 nights ago in southern Alberta. Let's see if this old girl will even fire. Let's let the old glow plugs heat up there for a little bit. I'm sure it'll fire. It's just been a month or 2 since I ran it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Get a little thinking fuel in us before we get fired up here. You need beer for home projects. So we got a little beer. Get that into us. We got the welder warming up. Bring the HSS into the shop here. And I think what we're going to do is I got probably, I don't know, 16 feet of that or so in total. So I think I'm going to make 2 lengths of 8 foot each. I'm going to have to do some splicing and stuff, but I'm going to make 2 8-inch or 8 foot feet for those teleposts to go onto. And we're gonna start there. Well, I had my tools up north with me, so I obviously had to follow the rules. But much better now that we're home. These little things, I'm gonna just go in here for now. So I got those 2 pieces, and then I got like 4 or 5 more pieces about that same length over yonder still. So what I'm gonna do is clean up these ends. I'm going to join those, make them 8 feet long, clean them up. That'll be 1 set of feet, or 1 foot, I guess you could say. Then we'll go get those other ones. We'll do the same thing. We'll make 2 sets of feet out of those to put those legs on, and then we'll figure out how to mount those sons of bitches onto that deck. Well, we don't have stands, so I'm going to use my job box for now, but we'll make her work. I'm going to clean up these ends. I already cleaned up that end a bit, got rid of the other weld so I can put a nice mark on there. We'll put some nice straight cuts on there, join them pricks together, cut them to length, tickety boo. Yeah, this is the shop. It's a bit in shambles right now because still in the process of moving in and whatnot. But, you know, we insulated it last year. So we're getting there slowly but surely. Alright, got my ends all cleaned up. I put a slight little bevel on them so I can get a decent weld in there. Now let's glue these bitches together. Well, like I said, I got no fucking stands here, so we're gonna try and balance them fuckers on here somehow so I can glue them together. So it wasn't ideal using the job box as stands. It was a little tricky to get it leveled out, but we got her. So we tacked her all up. Now we're gonna fucking weld it out, and then we're gonna cut her down to 8 feet. And then we'll do the same thing with the other couple pieces. And then we'll probably put those legs on and we'll go from there. I don't know how much I'm gonna get done today because it's Sunday. I'm already missing football. And I'm not really set up. Most of my tools are at work, so I'm just kind of flying by the seat of my fucking pants here, however that expression goes. But we'll get her. Well, we got her all fucking joint up here. Gonna cut her to size. You know, like I said, those are fucking rods from when Christ was a cowboy and I tied it on my corners. I know, fucking shame on me. But it's just a quick little project. Get her done, get her out. We're using old ass rod. We're just having fun, drinking beer, getting this done. So now we're gonna cut this to length, but I think that's probably all we're gonna do today because my phone is dying. I need some more tools from work to do this properly. I'm doing this off my job box and it is obviously not ideal. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you're not already, please subscribe. We're gonna probably be bringing more of this like random welding vlog type videos to you guys just having fun, you know, drinking beers, having a good time, doing some side projects. But thank you guys very much for hanging out. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said before, like and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. Cheers.